Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 TVS Jupiter CNG is a game changer in the Indian scooter market, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to conventional petrol-powered scooters. As fuel prices continue to rise and environmental concerns grow, TVS has taken a bold step by introducing the country's first mainstream CNG scooter. This innovative model is designed to provide riders with the perfect balance of performance, efficiency, and convenience while maintaining the reliability that the Jupiter brand is known for. At the heart of the 2025 TVS Jupiter CNG is a refined 110cc single-cylinder engine that supports both petrol and CNG fuel modes. This dual-fuel system allows riders to switch seamlessly between petrol and CNG, offering greater flexibility and extended range. While running on petrol, the engine delivers power comparable to the standard Jupiter model, ensuring a smooth and effortless riding experience. When switched to CNG, there is a slight dip in power output, but the difference is minimal and does not significantly affect urban commuting. The transition between fuels is seamless, allowing riders to make the most of both fuel options without any hassle. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest highlights of the Jupiter CNG. While traditional petrol-powered scooters offer decent mileage, the addition of CNG takes fuel savings to an entirely new level. Riders can expect an impressive mileage of around 50 km per kilogram of CNG, drastically reducing fuel expenses compared to petrol-only scooters. Additionally, the scooter comes equipped with separate fuel tanks for petrol and CNG, ensuring that riders never have to worry about range anxiety. If the CNG tank runs empty, they can effortlessly switch to petrol and continue their journey without any interruptions. Apart from its fuel efficiency, the Jupiter CNG excels in comfort and practicality, which have always been strong points of the Jupiter lineup. The scooter retains the same comfortable and spacious design, making it ideal for both city rides and longer commutes. The telescopic front suspension and gas-charged rear shock absorbers provide a smooth and stable ride, even on bumpy roads. The seat is wide and well cushioned, ensuring that both the rider and pillion experience maximum comfort. TVS has also ensured that the Jupiter CNG remains feature-rich and technologically advanced. It comes with an easy-to-use switch for shifting between fuel modes, a digital analog instrument cluster, and LED lighting for enhanced visibility. The scooter is also equipped with an external fuel filler cap for added convenience. Additionally, TVS has designed the CNG tank placement in a way that does not compromise under-seat storage space, making it just as practical as a standard petrol scooter. Safety is another key aspect that TVS has focused on with the Jupiter CNG. The scooter comes with an integrated braking system, IBS, ensuring shorter stopping distances and improved control. The durable frame and robust build quality add to the overall reliability of the vehicle, making it a safe and trustworthy choice for daily commuting. With the introduction of the Jupiter CNG, TVS has set a new benchmark in the scooter segment. It is an ideal option for budget-conscious riders looking for a fuel-efficient and eco-friendly alternative without compromising on performance and convenience. Given the rising cost of fuel and increasing environmental awareness, the Jupiter CNG is expected to attract a wide range of buyers, from daily commuters to fleet operators. TVS has once again demonstrated its commitment to innovation and sustainability, and with this new model, it is poised to redefine the future of urban mobility in India.